This is the last video of the important questions of the political science. So after this video, I have completed all the important questions which are important according to the political science subject. So first is the meaning of the power, authority and legitimacy. First the topic power, then authority and legitimacy. Second question is the right the circulation of the elite theory introduced by the Wilfredo Pareto. We first have to write the meaning of the elite theory, and then this is the diagram. Pareto's model of circulation of elites. In society there are two groups, elites and masses. Elites means highest ability in leadership and masses means the lack of leadership qualities. Then in elites there are two groups, governing elite, non-governing elite. And when one power wields the power, then the another party opposes that party. So here constant competition is present between these two elites. So this is called the circulation of elites. Third question is what is political obligation? Then meaning, then grounds of political obligation. We have to write the reasons. And then the essence of political obligation. So essence is consent, approval and acceptance of the people to the government is essential for the political obligation, and power, authority and government should be sovereign. Fourth question is write the thought of Mahatma Gandhi regarding resist to unjust laws. Then difference between the deterrent and reformative theory. Write a note on compensation theory of punishment. First we have to write the explanation, then example and then the features. Then difference between liberalism and socialism. Next is the features of utilitarianism. Then difference between the Marxism and Gandhism. Write a short note on materialistic interpretation of history expressed by the Karl Marx. In that there are 4 stages: primitive, ancient, feudal and capitalist. Next is the write the note on Sarvodaya. Sarvodaya means Sarva means all, Udaya means upliftment. Example is reservation. And there is a great contribution of Acharya Vinoba Bhave in Sarvodaya. In Sarvodaya Samaj, there will be a no exploitation of a man by a man. This is the main motto of Sarvodaya. What are the drawbacks in the present democracy? Corruption, then high cost of administration, criminals as candidates or idol, and illiteracy. Write in a short the importance of use of Mahatma Gandhi's thought in current scenario. What is preamble? What is secularism? Whether UK is a democratic republic or a both, and why? In UK, every citizen cannot become king or a queen. Only the person who is born in the king's family can become the king or a queen. The members of the royal family can succeed as authority after the king. In India, any citizen can become PM, president, or any kind of authority. There are no restrictions like the UK in India, and therefore India is a democratic as well as a republic. But UK is just a democratic. Then factors that makes the Indian constitution bulky. So this question we have previously read in that previous video. Why the Indian constitution is called the quasi-federal constitution? Now whether the Indian constitution is a rigid or a flexible, state the types of the amendment of the constitution. What is Article 14 of the Indian Constitution? Then kinds of freedoms mentioned in the article number 19A of the Indian Constitution. So article 19 is about the right to freedom, and there are 6 freedoms. Freedom of speech, then expression, freedom of assembly, freedom of association, freedom to practice any profession, and freedom to reside, settle in any part of the country. What is the right against exploitation? It is in article 23 and 24. Write the fundamental rights that protect the person from the unlawful detention. It is in Article 32 under the writ habeas corpus. Next is what is prohibition. It is one of the type of a writ. Prohibition means to forbid. What is the two-party system? Merits and demerits. Merits and then the demerits. Drawbacks of the multi-party system. Write a note on national party system, national political party system. National political party has an influence on whole nation. Those parties have their units in various states All these units follow the same policies, programs and strategy that is decided at a national level. Election Commission provides some special facilities to large and established parties. A party that secures at least 6% of the total votes in an election to a legislative assembly of a state and wins at least 2 seats in the recognized as a state party. A party that secures at least 6% of the total votes in the Lok Sabha elections or assembly elections in 4 states and wins at least 4 seats in the Lok Sabha is recognized as a national party. Example of national party. First is All India Trinamool Congress, AITC. Second, Bahujan Samaj Party, BSP. Communist Party of India, CPI. Bharatiya Janata Party, BJP. Indian National Congress, INC. Nationalist Congress Party, NCP. And Communist Party of India, Marxist, CPIM. Next are the features of the Indian party system. One dominantship party. Then different political parties came from the Congress party. All political parties have their leader, hero, card-based political parties, and so on. There are many reasons. In the previous video, we have already seen in detail what is the party system, then its 3 types, and then the features of the Indian party system. So here we have completed all the important questions of the political science 2 of the 3rd semester.